weight wood wheel. Got some Amroll 5 weight, and then I got some Motul or I can't remember the Motul or something else, 20 weight oil. Kind of mixed them all. It's probably like 17, 18 weight. That's what it's going. The rear's got progressive 430s in it, which dropped it about an inch. We're rolling about 90 miles an hour. Been watching a guy on YouTube down in Savannah, around Savannah, Georgia. He does training down there. He's an ex-police officer, New York police officer, highway patrol, social officer. I might link that website down there somewhere, or his YouTube. I'm ready to get a little group together and go down there. I could probably use some help. Some of his videos really show me a lot of stuff. But I haven't been doing that maybe I should be doing. I've never thought of myself as a really bad rider. Got a motorcycle license here in South Carolina. A lot of people don't have a motorcycle license. Most people ride around on a permit. They recently, well, not recently, about 4 years, 5 years ago, somewhere in there, they passed a law that if you had it for more than, your permit for more than 2 years, when you came to renew, they wanted you to give it a shot to get the license. If you didn't pass it, you didn't pass the test, you still got to keep your license, your permit. But they wanted everybody to give it a shot because the number of people riding around with permits is so high. And with a permit in the state of South Carolina, you're not supposed to drive after dark. And a permit in South Carolina, you're not supposed to drive out of state. So they kind of, you don't have a lot there that you can do. But that guy down in Savannah, he does it just kind of as a give back. He's retired now, it seems like. And I guess he's just filling up his time. God knows a lot of people when they retire, they don't do anything. When you don't do anything, that's when things really start to go downhill. Your body stops moving. Next thing you know, you stop moving. So here we are, Highway 521, Camden. We're going to get off here. We're going to find some gas. Miles per gallon says 37. I'm usually in the 42 range. I've been riding pretty hard here recently. Got that air kit down there. I took that center pouch up there, my windshield bag, and I kind of propped it out the way. Usually it's hanging down a lot more than what it is. Where should we buy gas today, people? I think we got a winner. We're going to go here. Usually don't buy gas here. Give it a shot. Me and all the people, December the 23rd, day before Christmas Eve. Me and the world. They're getting gas.
You could earn 3% cash back on all non-shopping.
127 miles. 127. $127. We put 4. So we're doing 30 miles a gallon. .975, 127 miles. See if I remember how to reset this thing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nope, that's the wrong one. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll reset them both. That's a big hole. Boy. Man, it's unusual for me to wear a full face helmet. Very rare. Mirror. There was once upon a time I was coming back from Gatlinburg, Tennessee. Me and my significant other on a Yamaha Venture, an older pre what they have now. It was a 99, I think. I like that bike a little bit. It had its good points, but it had a lot of bad points. But coming back from Gatlinburg on a Sunday afternoon, I think the time had just changed, so it was getting dark a little bit earlier. I think it was like November. No, I take that back. It was October. It was about a week before my birthday, actually. It was October. So we were coming back, and somewhere between Interstate 40 and Interstate 26 coming back to South Carolina, picked up a nail or a screw or something, and guessing that thing stayed in my tire for a very long time. I was really running pretty hard. We were doing a good 80, 90 miles an hour down the interstate. And, they're always doing construction up there in Interstate 40, it seems like, right along 40 and 26. And we were coming back, and somewhere in there is where I think I probably picked something on. Who knows? Just somewhere on the road. Well, I stopped for gas right outside of Spartanburg, South Carolina. Stopped for gas and filled up. Told my wife, I said, listen, I don't have to wear this helmet anymore. You know, I'm back in South Carolina. She said, no, I'm wearing mine. You need to wear yours. So I wore my helmet. About, I don't know, 20 miles after we made that gas stop. Had to be near Newberry. I think we were just outside of Newberry. Probably about, I don't know, 30 miles